I bought and tested these Mandoline slicers so you don't have to waste your money. After chopping, slicing, and grating my way through a mountain of vegetables, I've narrowed down the top 5 Mandoline slicers available on Amazon. Let's dive into the details and find out which one is worth your hard-earned cash.
Product number 1. OXO Good Grips Handheld Mandoline Slicer. The OXO Good Grips Handheld Mandoline Slicer has quickly become a staple in my kitchen. At first glance, the design is sleek and compact, easily fitting into any drawer. I was particularly impressed by its adjustable slicing options, which allow me to choose between 1mm, 2.5mm, and 4mm thicknesses. This flexibility means I can create everything from paper-thin cucumber slices to thicker potato wedges with ease. The large non-slip handle was a pleasant surprise, as it provides a firm grip, making slicing not just safe, but comfortable too. I remember the first time I used it for a salad, I was able to slice an entire cucumber in seconds, and the clever window feature let me see just how much I had sliced without making a mess. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, its stainless steel construction means it's durable and built to last. The fact that it's dishwasher safe makes cleaning a breeze, which is a huge plus after a long cooking session. One downside I encountered is that it may not be suitable for larger vegetables like squash due to its handheld nature. You have to position it just right. Additionally, while the slicing is smooth, it's not as versatile as some larger models that come with multiple blades. So, why should you buy the OXO Good Grips Mandoline Slicer? If you're looking for a reliable, straightforward tool that doesn't take up much space and simplifies your vegetable prep, this is it. Whether you're an occasional cook or someone who preps meals regularly, this slicer can save you time and effort, making it a worthy addition to your kitchen arsenal.
Product number 2. Full-Star Mandoline Slicer. Is the Full-Star Mandoline Slicer a true multitasker in the kitchen? When it arrived, I was pleasantly surprised by the included 6 stainless steel blades, a finger guard, and a cleaning brush. The fact that it comes with a 1.2-liter container for catchment is a game changer. I remember prepping for a family dinner and found myself quickly chopping onions and tomatoes with the fine dicer blade, all while avoiding tears thanks to the finger guard. The versatility of having a grater, coarse shredder, and julienne blade made it easy to switch between tasks without needing multiple tools. In terms of pros, its solid build from ABS plastic feels durable, and the blades are impressively sharp, cutting through vegetables with ease. The fact that it's dishwasher safe means I could clean it without worrying about damaging it. However, there are a couple of cons to consider. The size can be a bit cumbersome for smaller kitchens, and while the finger guard is a great addition, it may take some getting used to for optimal safety. So, why should you consider the Full-Star Mandoline Slicer? If you want a versatile kitchen gadget that combines multiple functionalities in one tool while still being affordable, this slicer is hard to beat. It's perfect for anyone looking to streamline their meal prep process, making it an ideal choice for busy families or cooking enthusiasts. Product number 3. The Gramercy Adjustable Mandoline Food Slicer. The Gramercy Adjustable Mandoline Food Slicer caught my eye with its professional feel. As soon as I unboxed it, the sturdy stainless steel body and adjustable dial made me feel like a chef. The rotating blade system allows for quick thickness adjustments, which I found incredibly useful while prepping for a stir fry. One of my favorite moments was slicing potatoes for a gratin. The uniformity of the slices was impressive, and I was able to achieve the perfect thickness in seconds. The included cut-resistant gloves made me feel safer while using it, even though I always exercised caution. On the pro side, it's incredibly easy to use and clean as it's dishwasher safe. The non-slip base ensures stability during slicing, which I appreciated when working with tougher vegetables. However, the size may be intimidating for some novice cooks, and the initial setup requires a bit of reading through the instructions. But why buy the Gramercy Slicer? If you're serious about cooking and want a tool that brings precision and efficiency to your kitchen, this is an excellent investment.
It's perfect for anyone looking to take their culinary skills to the next level, or for those who simply want a reliable slicer that delivers consistent results. Product number 4, Oricomb Mandoline Slicer. The Oricomb Mandoline Slicer is a compact powerhouse that has made my meal prepping so much easier. With its 6 interchangeable razor-sharp blades, I found it incredibly efficient for various tasks. I was especially impressed with the wave-cutting blade that created beautiful potato chips for a party I was hosting. The expanded handguard provided peace of mind, ensuring my fingers stayed safe while I sliced rapidly. The collection tray is a feature I didn't know I needed until I used it. It makes cleanup a breeze, keeping my countertop mess-free. In terms of pros, the quality of the blades stands out. They're made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring they stay sharp and resist rust. The slicer is easy to store, as all the blades fit neatly in the included storage box. However, the plastic construction, while durable, does feel less robust compared to metal options, and I found that the blades require careful handling during cleaning to avoid dullness. So why buy the Oricomb Mandoline Slicer? If you're looking for a versatile, easy-to-use slicer that handles various cutting tasks with ease, this product is perfect. It's ideal for anyone who wants to elevate their cooking game without breaking the bank. Product number 5, Bing Bang Adjustable Stainless Steel Mandoline Slicer. Last but not least, the Bing Bang Adjustable Stainless Steel Mandoline Slicer offers a blend of safety and efficiency. I was impressed by its unique design that allows you to adjust cutting styles without touching the blades, making it safer than many traditional models. The silicone wrap on the base provided excellent grip on my countertop, which I appreciated while slicing through various vegetables. I remember making a big batch of French fries, and the ease of switching thicknesses with just a knob was a highlight. On the positive side, the slicer is made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and sharpness. The safety gloves are a nice touch, although I would advise using them wisely as they don't replace careful handling. On the downside, it can be a bit bulky for storage in smaller kitchens, and while the one knob adjustment is convenient, it can be slightly less intuitive for beginners. So why should you consider the Bing Bang Slicer? If you're looking for a user-friendly, safe, and effective tool for slicing and dicing vegetables, this product is worth a look. It's perfect for those who want to simplify their cooking process without sacrificing quality. In conclusion, each of these Mandoline slicers brings something unique to the table, whether it's versatility, safety, or ease of use. If you're looking to make your kitchen prep faster and more efficient, investing in one of these slicers is a smart choice. Happy slicing, and thanks for watching!